Okay, so we're doing some product research with Logie5. Did a search for a rotary tool. I'm looking for a rotary tool. I need to do some engraving on some stuff. And so we're going down. We've got Logie score, campaign score. Gold means it's in the Creative Connections campaign. Blue means it's not. We're looking for high product score, high campaign score, right? In Creative Connections. And we got one right here. 87 on the product, 88 on the campaign score, right? Looks five brand videos, 15 creative videos, total 79 videos. So it looks like it's pretty crowded. Let's click in here. So they're telling me there's 79 known videos, 52 brands are on there. This is 10 brands, 16 customers, and effective creators of 51, right? So crowded market says over here, crowded market, but it's 87. So why is it 87? So let's click in, right? Right. This product scores an 87 for on-site placement, very strong. Two biggest reasons are usually strong commercial proof, right? And solid buyer trust, 4.3 stars. The placement landscape is competitive but not closed. The upper carousel is full, brand heavy, while the lower carousel is packed with creative videos. So access is harder, right? Historical competition looks healthy, okay? Creative placements are spread across many people. No single creator dominates. A couple of new creative videos appeared recently, which suggest Amazon is still rotating, which is what you would never know this, right? Mid-length mini placements landing around 42 to 100 seconds. So, you make a longer video, you're going to be able to place here. So this is all information that you wouldn't have had, and you might have passed up on this product, right? And then you come down here and it's showing you all of the videos that are ranking right now. They're being rotated through the carousels, right? And then you got right now what's on the upper carousel. So you got a lot of brand videos. And if you look, the creative videos, that's 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, right? So you're going to make a nice 5-minute video for this, which is pretty easy with a craft tool, right? You can show a lot of scenes of doing a lot of different things, right? And you can break into this carousel. It's a high selling item, right? And a 10% campaign. So this might be worth purchasing for a review, right? Ends in 11 weeks, which means it's been in the program for a while. And if they're not sending samples, that means you have a good shot of getting in there, right? So also I wanted to show you the campaign score, right? It says 88. So Logie5 is rating the brands. So this brand has an 88 strong confidence, right? It's a good campaign. It's worth your time. Why this campaign stands out, right? The product is already moving. Recent campaign performance is excellent, right? 340 orders in 30 days. Budget is healthy. There's runway. There's plenty of money left in the budget. Brand pressure looks healthy. One thing that's not perfect is the competition is real. So, you're going to have to make a great video, good long video for this, right? But it gives you all this information on the brand, okay? And that's some of the things that Logie is teaching me. Logie5 is teaching me how to be the best influencer that I can be. And it's early in the morning. That's why I'm talking a little bit subdued. 7,000 bought in the past month. This looks like a killer item, right? But you might have passed up on it because of the amount of videos in there. So what do you think about that? Leave me a comment. Would you buy this for a review, or is this a hard pass?